Good morning or afternoon. It's Mr. Stock here. It is Tuesday, January 26th, and I'm not going to be at school today. Just kidding. I'm back. And so I'm back. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will be in school today. Here are your announcements. There aren't very many. Announcement number one, make sure you have Weekly Writing 1, Weekly Writing 2, all those articles. Make sure you're getting those turned in. You should have gotten a grade printout. I did have someone email me telling me they weren't able to receive the grade printout, the grade email. So if that's the case, if you never saw it, email me or come talk to me and I will tell you if you're missing anything. All right? Or I can send out a new one. But please, please, please get those assignments turned in and finished up. All right, second announcement, your scripts. Okay, I know there's been a lot of confusion. Mr. Stock, what's due? What are we supposed to do? I changed things up because there was some confusion. Okay, we'll talk about all that today. But the main thing is by tomorrow, I'm hoping you have somewhat of a script worked out. Tomorrow, you should just be fine-tuning your script, which means you may have some homework tonight. Okay, with your partner. What that looks like is you guys need to make sure you have a shared document that you guys are working off of, and you can just type to each other on that shared document. Maybe set up a time that you want to work, like, hey, at 6 o'clock tonight, let's both get on at the same time and work on this project. Or, I can't do that, how about 7 o'clock? Or, I can do it at 4 o'clock and you do it at 6 o'clock, so you just double check that I didn't miss anything. All right? I'm also still noticing some tension between some of your groups. That's a fact of life. I'm sorry, but there are going to be times in your life when you are going to work with people who are not productive and not helpful. It's frustrating. To the people who are the hard workers, the one that are really grinding it out and getting things done, thank you. Okay? You've got to just keep doing what you're doing, everything you can to get your partner to get their work done. Now, if you are the person who is not doing anything, you're just jacking around, you're rude. I'll be honest, I'm going to be blunt. You're being rude. It's not fair to that person who's working really hard for you to be messing around and typing, I'm a squirrel, That's not productive. Okay? Get it together, come on. Let's get some work done. Let's make sure that you are a valuable asset to your partner, because your partner is going to evaluate you and give you a grade. And that is going to be a part of your actual grade. Okay? And if you're messing around, you're probably not going to get a very good grade on that portion of the assignment. All right? So make sure you're not that person. All right? That is it for the announcements. Today we're going to be talking about those persuasive techniques. I know I said we would get to it at some point. Today's the day. We're going to talk about ethos, pathos, logos. There's some fancy Greek terms that you're going to learn, and then you're going to be able to impress everyone. You're going to go home and be like, Mom, Dad, we were talking about ethos, pathos, and logos, and I really think the strongest one is ethos, because it really helps impact how you persuade someone by showing your authority in the situation. And they'll be like, what? He's speaking Greek? Oh my gosh, my son or daughter's a genius! What? Okay, maybe that's not what they'll say, but they'll be very, very impressed. So right now, you need to do the bell work, which today's bell work is you're going to watch another video. This video is one I made a little while back, last year, after work one night. And I'm going to go through the whole video just telling you kind of what my night was like. While I'm doing it, I want you to write down on a piece of paper any similes or metaphors you hear. Okay, so watch the simile metaphor video and write down any similes or metaphors you hear in the video. See how many you can find. All right, that's all I got for right now. Until next time, be awesome.